Have you ever wondered why, despite spending countless hours trying to make your online store convert, you're still left with a 75% abandonment rate and a 0.5% conversion rate? Or maybe you're a complete beginner just feeling so overwhelmed with everything that you don't even know where to start. Well, you're not alone. You see, thousands of ambitious entrepreneurs just like you wake up each morning, look at their Shopify store, and feel that crushing disappointment, knowing that they're losing sales every single day just because their store doesn't match their vision. Maybe you tried following random YouTube tutorials that left you more confused. Or maybe you hired expensive developers who charge thousands for basic changes. Or maybe you're just completely overwhelmed and don't know where to start. Well, what if I told you that the real reason your store isn't converting isn't because you're lacking any required skills? You see, it's actually because the traditional approach to store customization is completely backwards. You see, most store owners try to build their brand by focusing on technical features first, when they should be focusing on brand strategy. Even more shocking, according to our research, 87% of Shopify store owners waste between $2,000 and $5,000 on unnecessary developer fees within the first year alone. So what if I told you that there's actually a proven framework to transform your basic Shopify store into a professional brand without needing to know anything about consumer psychology, coding, branding, or copywriting? It's called the Brand First Framework, and it flips traditional store design completely on its head. You see, most store owners make the fatal mistake of starting with technical customizations. But here's the truth. In today's world, you can't just pick a random product, slap a logo on the header, and think that you're about to start raking in the cash. Building a converting website is about branding. Think about it. People can easily just go to Amazon to buy a generic product and get it within the next 24 hours. So why would they go to a generic Shopify store where there's no trust? See, customers don't just need a product that solves a problem, but they want a brand that fulfills their desires. And I want to walk you through my core principles that completely transform exactly how your store looks and performs. The first principle is strategic brand mapping. You see, we identify your unique brand DNA and translate it into visual elements that connect with your ideal customers. The second principle is visual hierarchy programming. You see, just like a skilled interior designer knows exactly where to place each piece of furniture, our framework shows you precisely where to position each element for maximum impact. And the third principle is conversion architecture. We build your store's layout using proven psychological triggers that guide visitors naturally towards the purchase button. And the beauty of this framework is that it requires zero experience, even if you've never touched a Shopify store in your life. Why? Because instead of wrestling with code or YouTube tutorials, you're following a proven blueprint that's already mapped out for you. Brands that have used the Brand First Framework approach have seen up to 50% higher conversion rates than those built on technical customizations alone. But I know what you might be thinking. I've tried other templates and frameworks before. They've all promised results but left me with another generic looking store. Well, here's why this is different. You see, traditional approaches focus on picking a winning product, slapping it on a generic looking store, and then marketing it on TikTok, leaving brand identity as an afterthought. That's like trying to dress professionally without knowing what impression you actually want to make. And so the Brand First Framework reverses this completely. By establishing your brand foundation surrounding your product, everything will become crystal clear. You see, there's no point in paying TikTok and Facebook for marketing if your customers are just going to bounce before they have a chance to see what your product can actually do for them. And the best part is that you can implement this entire framework in less than 30 days, even if you're starting from scratch. But you might be wondering, who am I to be saying any of this to you? Well, I'm not a professional web developer or a tech genius. I'm just a brand owner who was in the same position as you less than 5 years ago. I wasted over $5,000 paying someone to build a website for me that just ended up getting me an 89% cart abandonment rate. After I ran out of money, I spent countless 18-hour days scavenging through different YouTube tutorials trying to piece everything together. What started as personal personal frustration just led me down a rabbit hole of research. I spent countless hours analyzing successful Shopify stores, studying conversion psychology, and testing different customization approaches. You see, the solution to creating professional-looking stores without any experience had been hiding in plain sight all along. But here's what makes this different. You see, I didn't create this method because I'm special. I created it because I connected proven e-commerce principles with practical, step-by-step implementation that anyone can follow. So let me ask you this. Wouldn't it be transformative to finally have a proven system that helps you create a professional, high-converting store without wasting thousands of hours? A blueprint that not only leaves you with a converting website, but teaches you everything you need to know as you move along? That's why I created the Shopify Theme Blueprint, your 30-day path to a converting store even as a complete beginner. You see, this isn't another generic tutorial or complicated course. It's a complete step-by-step system that's specifically designed for beginner entrepreneurs who want complete control over their store's appearance and conversion rate. Unlike expensive developers or confusing YouTube tutorials, the Shopify Theme Blueprint uses the brand first method, combining proven design principles with easy to follow customization steps that anyone can master. And so here's what makes this system truly different. Number one is the visual brand framework. We start with your brand identity, not technical details. Our exclusive brand translation system helps you turn your vision into design choices that connect with customers. No more guessing what looks professional. You'll know exactly what to change and why. Step-by-step customization maps. Each modification is broken down into simple visual steps. You're going to get exact screenshots and video walkthroughs showing you where to click, what to change, and how to preview your work. It's like having a developer looking over your shoulder, but without the $150 an hour price tag. Conversion-focused design principles. Learn the exact elements that turn browsers into buyers. See, our conversion trigger system shows you which sections to prioritize and how to arrange them for maximum impact. These are the same principles used by stores that are generating over $50,000 per month. Beginner-friendly custom code. You see, I've created complete custom code for specific sections throughout your website that you can use to increase your conversion rate by 2 to 3% overnight. And don't worry, I'll be showing you exactly how to add everything into your store without needing to code. I'm talking as simple as copy and paste. Constant testing for members. You see, I'm constantly split testing new design elements to see exactly what works and what's outdated. If you're in the community, you're going to get updated for everything, obviously for no additional charge. So imagine waking up to a store that looks exactly like you've always envisioned. Picture yourself making your first 10K in a month. Envision hearing that Shopify sale notification go off multiple times every hour. And most importantly, imagine the pride knowing that you built this yourself and officially becoming a successful entrepreneur. Well, this is the transformation that's waiting for you within the Shopify Theme Blueprint. But you might be wondering how much a complete Shopify store transformation system like this costs. Well, similar solutions will drain your bank account. See, professional developers can charge between $3,000 to $5,000 just for basic customizations. Design agencies demand $10,000 plus for branded stores. Even basic theme customization courses can run around $997 or more. But here's the thing. I created this system because I believe that every entrepreneur deserves a professional looking store without actually breaking the bank. And that's why I'm not charging $3,000. I'm not even charging $997. I'm not even charging $497. For a limited time only, you can get the complete Shopify Theme Blueprint for just $147. That's less than what most of you spend on coffee every day. Just think about it. You're already missing out on way more than $147 every month that you wait trying to build a converting store. So here's everything that you'll get. The complete 30-day transformation blueprint, step-by-step video tutorials for every customization, brand identity framework templates, pre-made conversion optimized layouts, private community access, custom code templates with copy and paste format. You see, the total real-world value is $3,582, but your investment today is just $147. But I do need to be completely transparent with you. We'll be raising the price after we hit 200 members, and we're going to be switching to a monthly subscription plan. But don't worry, if you do get in now, you'll have it forever without any additional payments, I promise you that. But why is the price increasing? Well, that's because I'm personally responsible for ensuring every student's success. And I'm sure that you can understand, in order to maintain that level of support, I'm going to have to increase the price at some point. But if you're ready to finally have a high converting branded store that you've been dreaming of without any experience or prior business knowledge, then click the button below and secure your spot. But don't wait until the price doubles or all the spots are gone, because this is your chance to transform your store from amateur to professional in less than 30 days. And because I want you to have absolutely everything you need to create a converting website, I'm including these powerful bonuses when you join today. Bonus number 1, the brand identity blueprint. You see, most people don't even know that the colors and fonts that you choose actually have an impact on how the customers view your brand. And I'm going to show you exactly how to choose the visuals that will get you the highest amount of conversions. Bonus number 2, high converting website templates. So you're going to get instant access to my collection of step-by-step videos showing you exactly how I'm able to consistently achieve a 3 to 5% conversion rate or higher. See, these templates are specifically designed for Shopify stores and include detailed instructions for customization. So you can stop guessing what works. You can just use layouts that have been proven to drive sales. That's $994 in bonuses, and it's yours for free when you join the Shopify theme blueprint today. But wait, I understand that you still might be skeptical. Maybe you've wasted money on developers before, or tried other courses that left you confused and frustrated. Or maybe you're just getting into e-commerce for the first time and you don't want to get scammed. I completely get it. That's exactly why I'm offering my professional store or its free guarantee. Go through all of the content and build out your entire website. If you don't achieve at least a 3% conversion rate, I'll personally give you your money back, plus work one-on-one with you for free until you hit that milestone. No questions asked, no hoops to jump through. You see, I can offer this bold guarantee because I've seen this exact method work for over 1,000 Shopify store owners. Even complete beginners with zero technical skills have succeeded with this system. So at this point, you have 3 options. You can keep struggling with your basic store design, watching potential customers bounce away to other stores. They're probably members of the Shopify theme blueprint, by the way. You can also spend thousands hiring developers for every little change, piecing together random YouTube tutorials, and hoping that something works. But you're probably already doing this approach, or you've already tried it. And how's that working out for you? Or you can join the Shopify theme blueprint program today and follow our proven system to transform your store in just 30 days. No experience required, no expensive developers needed, just step-by-step guidance to create the professional store you've been dreaming of. The truth is, becoming a brand owner is extremely difficult. I wanted to give up hundreds of times when I first started. The thing is that I only started seeing results once I finally trusted someone to show me the exact blueprint they used to achieve the life that I wanted. You started this business with a vision of driving supercars, living in Miami, and being able to buy whatever you want. See, that vision is still possible, and it's actually closer than you think if you have the proper guidance. So click the button below and join the Shopify theme blueprint program for just $147. Don't let another day go by feeling stuck and lost in your journey. Your customers are literally waiting to give you their money. Click the button below now, and I'll see you inside of the community.